Bitcoin is now balancing on a critical edge. After testing the upper resistance zone around 109 to 110,000, signs of short-term exhaustion are building. A pullback toward the key support range of 106 to 106,500 is likely, creating a potential entry opportunity for strategic buyers. If buyers defend that zone and momentum resumes, we could see a renewed push toward 110,000 beyond, targeting the next resistance near 114 to 115,000. However, failure to hold above 106,000 could open the door for a deeper drop into the 103 to 104,000 range, and in a more bearish case, even retesting the psychological level around 100,000. This is a moment to stay focused. Aggressive traders may look for long positions near 106,000 with tight risk control. Breakouts above 110,000 could signal a trend continuation, but anything below 105.8 may warrant caution. Volatility remains high, and swift swings in both directions are expected. In short, Bitcoin is standing at a crossroads. The path it chooses next could define its trajectory for the weeks ahead. Ethereum is now hovering near a pivotal zone, facing tight pressure just below 2,520. After testing this level multiple times, the market seems undecided, but the structure suggests a potential breakout or breakdown is near. If buyers manage to push the price above 2,520 and hold it there with strength, we could see a fresh move toward 2,580. A successful climb above that could unlock the path to 2,620 and even beyond, toward the 2,700 zone. However, if the current resistance holds and sellers regain control, Ethereum may slide back toward the support area around 2,470. Losing that floor would increase the probability of a drop into the 2,430 to 2,400 range. A deeper correction could reach as low as 2,390 if momentum fades. For traders, two key zones matter now: the upside breakout above 2,520 and the downside defense near 2,470. Long setups look favorable if price stabilizes above resistance. But if weakness returns, caution is advised until lower support zones are tested and held. The market is poised for a decisive move. What happens next will define Ethereum's short-term direction. Stay alert, stay ready. XRP is currently navigating a tight range around $2.17, showing signs of compression before a potential breakout. If buyers hold the support near $2.15, the price could make a move toward $2.20. A successful breakout above that level may open the door to $2.30, with a continuation possibly pushing it up to $2.50 or even $2.70 in a high-momentum scenario. However, if the $2.15 zone fails to hold, the next key supports sit around $2.08 and deeper at the $2 mark. A drop below that could trigger a broader correction toward $1.94, where stronger demand might reappear. Traders should keep a close eye on price action between $2.15 and $2.20. Long positions are favorable if support holds and the price starts rising toward resistance. Breakouts above $2.20 with strong momentum could offer solid upside potential. On the other hand, weakness and rejection below $2.15 may warrant short setups with tighter risk control. XRP is at a turning point, and the next move will set the tone for the market. Watch those levels and be ready to act. BNB is approaching a key decision zone, trading near 652. If the price holds above 651, there's room for a bullish move towards 665. Breaking above that level could open the path towards 690, with further potential to reach the 720 to 780 range if momentum accelerates. However, if the market fails to hold above 651, we could see a dip back towards 646, with deeper support waiting around 630 and then 615. A breakdown below those levels might expose the asset to a fall towards 600. For traders, this is a critical phase. Long positions become attractive if the price sustains above 653, with targets at 665 and 690. Alternatively, if weakness shows below 650, short setups may come into play, aiming for support at 630 or lower. The coming move could define BNB's direction for the next cycle. Stay alert, focus on the key zones, and prepare for a shift in momentum. Solana is now testing a critical level around 150. If the price holds above this zone, it could trigger a move toward 152, and with continued momentum, reach 154 or even 157. That path could set the stage for a larger bullish breakout. However, if the price slips below 150, pressure may build, pushing it down to the next support at 148. A deeper decline could test 146, and if sellers stay in control, the price might fall to 143. For traders watching the setup, a bounce from the 150 area could offer a long opportunity targeting 154 and beyond. If the level breaks down, short setups become attractive, especially below 149, aiming for 146 or lower. This is a key decision point. Whether Solana holds or breaks here could define the next major trend. Stay focused on the price behavior near these levels and be ready to act accordingly. Tron is currently trading around 27.6 cents, holding a critical support near 27.5 cents. If this level holds strong, we can expect a move toward 28 cents, with the potential to push higher toward 29 cents. Breaking above 29 cents could open the door for a rally toward 30 cents. On the other hand, if Tron fails to maintain support at 27.5 cents, a drop to 27 cents is likely, with a deeper correction possible down to 26.2 cents. These levels will be crucial for determining the next directional move. For traders, entering long positions near 27.5 cents with targets at 28 and 29 cents could be a good strategy. Conversely, if support breaks, short positions targeting 27 and 26.2 cents may be more appropriate. This is a key zone for Tron's price action, and watching how it behaves around these levels will be vital for anticipating the next move.